everyone, I'm going to show you the new features on YouTube Studio if you're going to set up a premiere. So click this plus to set up a premiere, and then they have a new countdown. You can select a countdown theme, so you can select bright, ambient, cinematic, dramatic, and then for example for cinematic you will select and then you will click to preview. Then for the countdown length, you can also select 1 minute to 5 minutes. So kaya can choose 4 minutes, 3 minutes. For the bright theme, and for the happy, then for the sports team, for the inspirational theme, then after the selection you can scroll down, and then for redirect you can add a video, then you can add also a trailer video. Okay, then click save. That's all for the day. Thank you for watching.